All right, everybody, so I wanted to show y'all how quiet this Black Widow compressor is. So I got it plugged up. It's got these quick connects on it for your different hoses and stuff like that, which is really cool. So I'm gonna turn it on. And there you go. Pop that connect out that was out there. So that's how quiet it is. Got a couple of little air leaks I need to take care of, but other than that, this thing is very, very quiet. That is really awesome. Where is that? Right there. Tighten that up right there. And that should be good.